yeah. Here, it's biting on me. Here I got like 10 minutes cooking. This is a baby octopus, but not baby like back home that we used to eat. No, this octopus, because I've been craving it, so I went into market in the shop where the fish is. So we bought this. This is like 10 of them, guys. Trust me, for like $15. Yeah, it's a really wild octopus. This one, baby one, or baby squid. I mean, I remove the ink on this. I know, guys, you eat the ink. I'll remove the ink and I chop it. I put the relative of onions, the leek, salt and pepper. That's it. A little bit of less salt. So yeah, tiny bit only, guys. She's ready. I cook this head first, you know, this one. And put them all now. It's firing back on me because the ice, it has ice on it, so it's firing back. So I put very low. So while I'm doing this video, you won't fire back on me. Yeah, I just wash it and gutted it. I removed the white part, the hard part, and also I removed that white ink, like this size, very small, where this one is squirting their ink to get the cloudy. So I removed them. And also next time, I got still some few of the squid, baby squid in the freezer. I will show you what Australian style way of cooking, guys, because my dear hubby is a osteopath and he know about these things, and he said this skin actually tastes good, but actually, guys, there's a lot of sulfur on them. The same thing with the crabs, the shrimp, or the ocean food, like red color. That's when you got high blood, it's not good for you. Even you don't have high blood, it's still not nice for you. So Australian people, or mostly white people, they remove it. They remove the white, the skin, the reddish skin, because the sulfur is in there. So yeah, next time, I promise you guys, I will remove it and I'll show you what I do to peel them off. So the sulfur, you save the sulfur in it. I guess when they are baby, it's not much on them, tiny bit little, but when they are adults, then yeah, that's it. This is already cooked. Nice. You don't need to cook it very long. Yeah? I put a little bit of salt, black pepper, and this one. This mixed up salt. Yeah. Probably I'll just put the lastly, but not the least, I'm gonna put. And you also could open it. Okay, guys. Well, my chef opening it. My King's Babe, my vinegar. The main ingredients for this is the vinegar I made from my. I need to put more vinegar on this apple cider from chilies. Yeah, if you don't want it spicy, don't worry about it, guys. Just omit the vinegar with this chili on this. This, I like it like that. Yeah, tataob yung mga kanin nyo, guys. You'll be eating a lot of rice in the afternoon. But since it's not my cheating day today, so I just eat like that. You know? And this one, oops, nice. Yummy. This is really ready. It's a mung beans. I already turned the fire off. And she's cooked. Mung beans, the broccolini. It's a babe relatives of broccoli. Mung beans, the green beans, see? And one piece of zucchini. Yeah, and the pak choy. And I put also spinach here. So the spinach is not overcooked. You put the spinach at the end, you know. So by the time I remove it, I put the spinach was thoroughly, and that's it, guys. With salt and pepper, a little bit of tiny pinch of either you put chicken stock or vegetable stock. So I put vegetable stock, which is really nice, and purple onion, garlic. That's it. Now the yummy healthy soup is good, and I put some bit of water in this. See? Not much. I really can't wait to taste this one now, guys. Since I got pot here, I'm gonna use this so I can serve it like this. Okay, gonna serve it in my bowl here. Ooh, nice and hot. Just steady you here so you're not gonna wintuling or dizzy while watching that. Wow, ang sarap. Mahilig po kami sa sabaw, guys. Don't worry. I'll do something with this broth. I'm just gonna pour broth this later on. Gonna put some lid on this. And this, I'm gonna serve my vegetable stock with this yummy protein here. Need to off it by the way now. Okay, it's nice and ang sarap. Talagang yung cravings natin, guys, ay napapawi dahil dito. Sarap talaga ng baby octopus, oh. Yummy. It's not that baby like we used to live at home and very small, even just like this size. Not like the guys here in Western world. That's illegal size. There in our home, it's okay lang. Here is not, so you have to cut it. Their baby is like this size. Bigger one. Our baby is like this one. See the difference, guys? Ito na, masarap. Voila. Here is our octopus. Click. Enjoy, guys. Actually, I give this some green chilies, onions too. Yummy. There you are. I'm happy with this dinner. And I'm gonna go in the table and serve it there. There you are. Parapin natin in my table, and I'm gonna partner this with brioche. Just one of this to satisfy my carbo a little bit. Yeah, one brioche is satisfy me, and this. There you go, mga kaibigan, mga kahigala, mga friends, old friends and new friends. Come on, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And we're really happy and appreciate you guys. So make sure you leave the comment down below in the new video that we have, so we can come back to you whenever we have a time. Don't worry, guys, we will come back to you, okay? Just do the right thing, and we also do the same thing for you. Thank you so much once again, dear friends, family in White World, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Happy eating and enjoy this. Now I'm opening this with my mouth. One is in the hand of my camera and one is in here. So this is satisfied my craving. Yeah, sarap po. Sarap talaga, guys, as in. Sa hitsura pa lang. It's really nice. Even in the looking in the photos, it's really good. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Then actually I squeeze green lime in this. Australian lime is really smell good and tastes alright. Probably 3 squeeze in there when the squid is almost finished cooking. Sarap. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start eating my food because I'm really starving. Cheers. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Ciao. Bye.